Heat. We have to discuss chapter heat. Temperature. First thing is temperature. We express the degree of hotness of a body through its temperature. The more is the temperature of a body, the hotter it is, and vice versa. Now try to understand another thing also. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Heat means energy which is moved between two things when one of them is hotter than the other. Heat is a form of energy that is transferred from one body to another due to the existence of temperature difference between them. Transfer of heat energy, thermal energy, always takes place from the body at a higher temperature to that at a lower temperature. Try to understand. Here you are seeing this in this pot. Vapor is coming outside. Do you know, in early days heat was considered as a fluid that flowed from a hotter body to a colder body. This fluid was called the calorific. This theory was shown to be incorrect by the experiment of physicists like Davy, Count, Rumford and Joule, who showed that heat is just a form of energy. Heat and temperature. Heat is the energy of a body. Heat is the energy of body that is due to the motion of its constituent particle. Temperature, on the other hand, is just an indicator of this energy. Even a cold object possesses heat energy due to the motion of its particles. When we add heat, a body motion of its molecules becomes faster. Audio I have sent you. Effects of heat. Physical change. Change in temperature. Change of state, thermal expansion. Most things, solid, liquid and gases are known to expand on heating. This phenomenon is called thermal expansion. Chemical changes. Also there is effect of heat. Effects of heat. In this we have to know about chemical changes. It is interesting to note that ice and cast iron are two of the few solids that contract on heating. Cold water at 4 degrees Celsius is known to expand on cooling. This special property of water helps us to understand why water pipes sometimes burst at very cold places, and a soft drink glass bottle often cracks when left in the freezer compartment for a long time. It is also linked with the survival of aquatic animals at places where the surrounding atmospheric temperature goes down well below 0 degrees Celsius. Measurement of temperature. Using thermometer you can measure temperature. The thermometer. Mercury in glass thermometer. Here glass thermometer. Shining substance which is found in thermometer. This is mercury. Mercury, do you know, mercury expands in a uniform way and also remains in its liquid state over a wide temperature region. It also does not stick to the walls of the glass capillary tube and is shining silvery liquid. It is because of these reasons that mercury is often used in ordinary thermometers. Reading a thermometer. Celsius scale. Range. Difference in the temperature of the two fixed reference points is called the range of the thermometer. Difference between 2 points, Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. You have already studied changing Fahrenheit into Celsius in class 5 mathematics. Okay, you know the temperature in degree Celsius is equal to the temperature T in degree Fahrenheit. T degree Celsius, T degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply by 5/9 if you want to change Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, if you want to get Celsius. The range of a laboratory thermometer can be from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. List count. Try to understand. I have already sent you audio while I was teaching this chapter. List count of measuring instrument is the smallest quantity that can be measured as per the celebration of the instrument. List count of an instrument. Difference between two marked readings. Total number of division between them. Clinical thermometer. Now, clinical thermometer, a thermometer used by doctors. Clinicals or doctors thermometer. It is different from another thermometer. It is calibrated from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. This is because this is the range over which the temperature of the normal human body can vary. Okay, it has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. This kink is given the name constriction. Here now digital type thermometer is using to measure the human body temperature using a clinical thermometer. You know, transfer of heat. Try to understand. Conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, there are three modes of transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation. Try to understand one by one. Conduction. Here you are observing, here wax is covered with this rod and you are hitting this directly. What will happen? This wax will falling. Okay. Conductors of heat. Conductor means conducting heat, material which conduct heat, bad conductor, not conducting heat, that is also known as insulator. We use woolen or plastic handles for holding tea kettles or cooking utensils. What are the reasons? Because wood is bad conductor of heat. Okay. Use of bricks and mud for making houses. You know this thing. Air is known to be bad conductor of heat. Ice boxes are often made as double walled container. Convection. In case of convection, try to understand. Here there is a stove, and but here there is in this middle this pot and this stove, there is another thing also, and there is flowing of heat. Such type of flowing of heat is convection. Try to understand. Here there is another pot is kept. Now convection currents, convection winds and storms. Try to understand how are winds formed. I have already told you, suppose there is a place and now there is no air. There is no air. In this case, there is also air near this vacant place, and nearby air try to fill this place, and this air will move fastly. This is what thing? This is your winds and storms. Try to read and try to understand. In case of any problem, you may contact. Global wind patterns. Try to see this thing. Here global air patterns. Land and sea bridge, land bridge. I have already sent you audio in which I have discussed about sea bridge and land bridge. There is no problem. Radiation. Now next thing is radiation. What is radiation? It follows that there must be a third method of heat transfer. We call this method of heat transfer as radiation. It may be defined as a method of heat transfer in which no material medium is required. You know, sun rays heated the earth. What are the reasons? Due to radiation. Okay. Now radiant energy. The heat and energy received by an object through radiation is called radiant energy. The bottom of cooking utensil is often kept black. This enables the utensils to better absorb the heat of the flame, because black color is a good absorber of heat. The thermos flask used to carry in it hold or cold drinks, it makes use of the property of shining or polished surfaces observing as well as radiating very little heat. Okay, try to understand, try to read once again, and I hope you will understand all things. Now question answer time. I have sent you already this page, you know this thing, but anyone who has not written, for that students, this page is seeing here. You may pause video and you can write answer of all questions. If anybody has need of such page, I will send on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.